Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Cagayan de Oro. The local time for your convenience is 14 minutes past the hour of 11 in the morning, and the date today is December 13, 2024, on a Friday.